Okay, so hi everybody. I'm going to show you this location reminder app, like how it is going to work and what features it is providing. So to start with, basically this location reminder app will mostly be used for the purpose of whenever you want to get some reminder. Depending on your location, you can use this app. The example could be like while reaching to my office, I want to get reminded for a few items daily. So in that case, I can, depending on my office location, I will put some items to do in to-do list, and whenever I reach to my office, this application will keep track of my movement, and whenever I reach the office, I will get reminded, saying like I have to do these kind of items. Similarly, if you want to go, if you are planning to purchase few items from mall, whenever you go to mall, you need to get reminded to purchase those items. So in that case, you can set your to-do list for the mall location, and whenever you go to mall, then you will basically receive that reminder saying, okay, you have to purchase these items, or you have to do this kind of items. So for that, this application will be helpful. So basically, to start with, this application is already onto the Windows Phone Store. So go to this. I'm showing currently on emulator, but you can try on the same steps on your phone. So you can go and search for the application named LocationREminder. So here there is no space between this location reminder. So once you find this, you can go ahead and download this guy, location reminder. So you can install it now. So because I have already installed this on my emulator, and so I will go ahead and tell you how to use this guy. So for that purpose, before starting this application, you need to make sure like your location tab is on. If it is off, basically this application will not work. So I will show you putting this off first, then I will make it on. So go ahead and launch this location reminder here. You can just do plus to add one more reminder. So this type basically I'll just show first, like, okay, if you select this location, it will try to check, okay, this location setting is not on, so you need to go and on, otherwise this application will not work. So in that case, I will go back to my settings, and here I will basically select this location which is turned off currently. I need to turn it on, and then I will go ahead and launch the application again. So now if you go ahead and then try to put now we can give some title. Okay, so I will give reached path. So whenever I'm traveling in a train, whenever I reach to Hyderabad, I need to get reminded. So this range tells me like in what range, suppose I want to get reminded. Like if we give value of some, suppose 8 kilometers. So depending on your targeted location, if you are in the range of 8 kilometers, this reminder will be played. This alarm is a different kind of alarm. There are 24 types of alarm you can play. So I will just play some wake-up song kind of alarm. Select location. Now you have to actually select to what location you need to get the alarm played. So basically this when you click this select location, it will try to locate your current location, and the pointer will be selected appropriately. In that period of time, your find button will not work here. So because it is emulated, the internet is pretty fast, so it has identified my current location. So I will go ahead and then select the location to which I want to get the reminder. So I will just say okay. So I will put a alarm here. I can say okay, call taxi. So I will save this alarm. So you can see here my reach Hyderabad is created. This alarm is created, and the call taxi is the notes which I put. And depending on your longitude, latitude, basically it will figure out the street name and city name to fill. So you can see here the kilometer, basically it is telling currently like to how much far you are currently from the destination. Because it is first time created, so it is having 0, so it is not auto refresh currently, so I will put in future updates basically. So if you now this is basically the simulator, because I'm currently showing this demo on emulator, so you can use this location tab to simulate your movement. So suppose I move to some place here. In that case, you can see like this application will go and check, okay, with this movement do we have some alarm to play. So to refresh this kilometer, I will go back. I need to go back currently and come back, so that this kilometer will be filled appropriately. So you can see here this from the current location, which is your some place in Seattle. The location Hyderabad is around 19,080 kilometers away. So now I will move to Hyderabad. And you can see here, if I reach to some place here, and now I can go ahead and check, okay, how far I am currently. So it's around 41 kilometers from Hyderabad, from the place I moved to. So I will try to move nearer now. So I now move to some other, because here I'm pretty fast moving due to simulation. So now it is 8.5 kilometers. I have to move a little bit more so that my condition is met of being in the range of 8 kilometers. So now you can see, okay, this is 6.67 kilometers I have reached. So ideally it should play a reminder in a couple of seconds. So in the meantime, probably I will show you while the reminder is being played, I will show you few more details of the application. Here you can basically see there is one setting page. So if you go to the setting page, you can find it like this is the movement threshold, which say like on how much movement you want to check for the reminder list. So here currently it's default to 100 meters. So on each 100 meter movement, you will be this application will go ahead and check, okay, is there some reminder to be played. So you can increase this value to some number. The higher the value, better is the battery life, but lower is the accuracy. So desired accuracy, basically this will basically decide whether you want to get this reminder with high accuracy contacting the GPS, or you want to get default accuracy. This enable location basically says this, if you're putting it off, this application will not work. So whenever you want to when you put this off, this all reminders will be off, will not work basically. Okay, so next basically so here you can see like now as the reminder have already been played, so this is a checkbox, so you can disable it and enable it back, so that this alarm will be again played based on your movement. So suppose I am currently moved to Padhancheru. When I am back, I can see it, this guy is 36 kilometers away now. So I will be again back to this location. So you can see it here, it's coming to be 4.94. So now this reach Hyderabad reminder should be played again. In the meantime, it is playing the reminder. I will again show you some other stuff. So you can delete it from using this trash button. See, this reminder has been played. So the other thing I want to show you is like if you go here and if you do the select location here, if you don't have internet connection, then this Bing map will not be loaded, and then you won't be able to select your location. So you can directly go and key in your longitude, latitude, and save the value. So after that also this application will work. So I think that's all from this application side. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you will use this application and rate it appropriately. Thanks.